Hi, this is Rachel. I just wanted to show everyone the book that I made for my children's literature class. It's called Kathy is an Astronaut. I did the illustrations with pastels on construction paper, and I binded it by gluing each of the pages together. So I just wanted to read it for everyone. Kathy is an Astronaut by Rachel Pack. This will be the title page someday when I write it. Kathy is an astronaut, a trained space travel guide, ever since she found a rocket ship and decided to take a ride. She flung open the shuttle door, crawled in the cockpit chair. "This is Captain Kathy here. I'm ready to prepare." She turned a knob and flipped the switch. The shuttle shook and tossed. Then Kathy counted 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. The first stop was Mercury, with the blistery sun so close. The planets hot and oh so small, Kathy started to roast. Her feet took ample elephant leaps across the rocky grade. With low gravity, she'd float and hover as she danced and played. Zip went Kathy off to Venus, a planet that gleamed bright. It was surely the most beautiful planet ever in all sight. But once near the atmosphere, she didn't want to land. It was covered in clouds of smog that she didn't plan. One quick stop, Kathy sure thought, to that spinning One quick stop, Kathy sure thought, to the moon around her globe. She carved her name into the land with a part from a space probe. Kathy said a quick goodbye to that spinning planet of ours. She just waved and sped on her way to the planet Mars. Mars was a great big lumpy rock with a reddish hue. She wandered far to try to find a green Martian or two. Walking made it very hard to keep up her composure. So Kathy thought, why don't I drive inside an old space rover? Her rocket ship was hard to steer. She needed lots of help. She navigated her way through the chaos of the asteroid belt. Along the way, to her dismay, her rocket hit a bump. She used her mechanic tools to repair the lump. "What's that?" Kathy exclaimed at what she just flew past. "It's Jupiter and all its moons. It's large and made of gas." She saw a target round and red, the perfect place to land. When settled down, she took samples of the particles around the band. It's Kathy right there. Saturn, a big metallic sphere, was the next planet she found. It had rings circling on a disk like a merry-go-round. She arrived upon the rings and, with a smile toothy and wide, dove across the glossy surface like a slip and slide. Beautiful turquoise Uranus was the next that Kathy saw. Being tilted on its side was the planet's only flaw. Its color was so alluring, Kathy chose on a whim to plug her nose and cannonball to take a little swim. Start plugging her nose. The silver shuttle buckled upon the last planet, Neptune. The planet glowed a creepy cobalt like a deep lagoon. She shifted through the icy mist on her last expedition. Exploring each of the sun's planets was her greatest mission. Back on Earth, Kathy was dropped off at the bus station. She had traveled throughout space using her imagination. Her mother told her, "You can be a real astronaut someday." Kathy giggled, "Mom, I travel the galaxy when I play." It's Kathy and her mom. And there's the ship at the bus station. The end. I'm really proud of this, and I'm going to turn it in today. Hopefully I get an A. And I'm thinking the next children's book I'll write will actually be for adults, and it'll be titled How to Cope with the Fact That Pluto is Not a Planet. I'm sorry, it's not, and I did not include it. Science behind that, I promise. So that's it. Hope you liked it.